The tree's still standing. Over a month later, but you can still see it's only kind of half there. There's a big gap. So I guess it's taken longer than I expected, really. I didn't know I'd get the joy of still seeing it there. So all is not lost. I did contact my counsellor, my local counsellor, about it and explain that I believed it was private property. And she pretty much said that, you know, people can do what they like on their property. You know, if they want to cut trees down, they can cut them down. And she said normally she doesn't get phone calls about people wanting to save trees, just about people wanting to cut them down. Complete madness today, people wanting to cut trees down. I do wish I was well enough to get to that property and maybe speak to the person and ask why, you know, it was being cut down, and explain how we need them. You know, we can't afford to lose any trees. The rainforest is getting cut down every day just to plant crops so you can feed farm animals, so you could slaughter them and eat them. What is wrong with our society? Literally gone insane. So I'm going to follow up with the counsellor, because I said, well, what could be done to protect, these trees? And she said the council were planting trees, but, fair enough, those trees are going to take a long time to grow and become like this one. So why cut trees down unnecessarily? Just because you can doesn't make it a good thing. Polluting our air. That's why we need the trees. I'm not saying, we can live without cars and planes these days, because it would probably be really difficult, but don't get rid of the things that we need to help counteract all the pollution. Please, people, do something, get involved, stand up for the environment, stand up for the animals, stand up for yourselves and your futures, and the future of this planet and its inhabitants. Extinction Rebellion is an avenue, and just doing anything you can locally to help all this destruction around us. Make people think about what they're doing instead of walking around like a bunch of zombies. Because that's what, it's like. The world's being run by zombies who are interested in one thing: power and money. We need to stop them. We need to do something. We can't wait. The planet can't wait. Our future can't wait. The animals can't wait. We need to do something now. No good talking about it. We need to actually do something.